Hello friends, welcome to DPILTS YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about new cue card which name is describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or study. Our cue card bullet points, what it is about, why you made this plan, what you need to do first, and explain how you would feel if it is successful. Our cue card answer is having a day-to-day plan helps you achieve smaller tasks, and those smaller tasks, when combined, become a big achievement soon. This smaller achievement also gives you a sense of pride and motivation to carry on towards your ultimate goal in life. Planning is very important, especially in today's time when the time fades so quickly in social media, when we just scroll aimlessly or sitting idle without doing any work. It has already become difficult for the generation youth to work on their priorities and achieve their life goals. I like to daydream a lot. In fact, daydreaming is one of my hobbies. In my daydreaming, I make a plan that is obviously not related to work or study. It is just related to how I want to feel, where I want to travel, and what all activities I have to carry out there. What I have planned is to travel the whole world with my friends. As I love traveling, especially when I am with my friends, I plan to have a trip that covers most of the beautiful places on this earth. But being realistic, there are so many years between my daydreaming and fulfilling them. Undoubtedly, I need to work hard and earn lots of money to fulfill this dream of mine. And I have to be in touch with my friends with whom I want to travel in order to convenience them to be free when we all are eligible to roam around the world. I am adamant to make this dream come true, hence I have made small plans for it. For it I need money, social support, and entry to the countries where I want to go. It will be definitely a fun experience where I am in happy places with the people I want to be. I have been planning this since my teenage. Once I was sitting with my friends in the canteen of my school and we had a long discussion over traveling that we missed the period that was followed by a break. So we bunked the class and we made a good plan about how we can do it, how much money we will need, and how we can go about it. So it has been 8 to 9 years since I had this plan in mind. It is difficult, but my willingness to make it come true is bigger than the difficulty level. I love to travel and I have started saving my pocket money and I keep on reminding my friends about the plan I have. It is important for me to fulfill this dream, thus everybody knows my seriousness towards it. So thanks for watching, and our DPILTS Telegram channel link in the description box, so you can join